So hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and as usual Mother John is here with yet another video. And in today's video we are going to focus on a topic that most of you guys have been waiting for, and it's about the lawsuit, the judge order. And you guys have been asking question, when will the judge make an order, or when will it happen? So in today's video the judge has already made an order, and to be specific, he made the order on date 4 of September, that is 2020, and it involves a very detailed document. It's a very lengthy document, as you can see here. It's a total of 85 pages. So in this video it will be, in this video I'll attach the link to this document and the description, so that maybe if you're interested to read, you can go there and maybe have a check out on it. And also I'll make it as the first comment on the comment section, so you can check out the link on the description or on the first comment. So to start with, I would like maybe to let you know that this video will be just a summary of the whole document. It's not a detailed video, but it will be just a quick summary of the whole document. And by that I mean I'll just go to the conclusion. The conclusion, as you can find it on the last page 84 to 85. That's where you can get the conclusion. So for those who will be going through the document, you can go direct to the last page, the last 2 pages. And to be specific, I'll be still focused on the DV category. The other categories I will not be talking about them, and I will be talking on DV 2020 and 2021 and how they are affected. So to start with, basically it's a 50-50 win, and maybe win and lose, because the judge ordered partially on our favor, and again he denied or declined some of our requests. So partially it's a win-win, or win and lose, so it's 50-50. So I'll be discussing that on this video. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so, and maybe let's start our video right away. So welcome back, and maybe something I like you guys to learn is, can you read from here? The court additionally finds that the DV 2020 plaintiffs have met the equitable requirements for injunctive relief, but the non-DV plaintiffs have not. By this it means that DV category, diversity visa category, are quite lucky, because they will have some relief. That is, they will have some of their visas being issued, unlike the other categories of visas. The other categories of visas are not favored like DV category. So the court therefore orders the following. So we are going to start our video right now. I'll be talking about specific topics, and maybe I'll explain more about them. So here it is. The first one is about the court preliminary. This is just an information on everything. So the first point comes on the number 2, and the number 2 reads very open and very clear. Defendants shall undertake good faith efforts directly and through their designee to expeditious process their adjudicate DV 2020 diversity visas and their relatives beneficiary application, and issued or reissue diversity and their relatives beneficiary visas to eligible applicants by September 30th 2020. Up to that point, by this it means that the judge is ordering, or is asking the government to issue visas as fast as they can by September 30th of 2020. In short, the judge did not make any order to extend. I know many people have been waiting to hear that, but it didn't happen as of now. And maybe mark those words, as of now. So in short, number 2 states very well that it talks about that the government is ordered to resume to issue visas to those who are qualified. Of course, those who are qualified are you winners. If you are DV 2020 winner, then you are qualified, to proceed issuing the visas to the level best they can by September 30th. Again, And a very important point on this is that giving priority to the named diversity visa sprint feeds in Gomez, Aka, Mohammed and Fajong and their derivatives and beneficiaries. By this it means those guys who are courageous. You know, there are some private lawyers out there like the named above here, the Gomez, Aka and whatever. If you had filed your case with them privately, you know, maybe you had made some, you know, payments, or maybe you had agreed to do something with them, you had filed your case with them, you know, privately, you had some agreements with the lawyers and all those, then your case will be given priority. So there's something I would like to talk about here. Mostly now it's about the AILA. Listen, there are a lot of you guys, I am sure, who filed the AILA, the request they had requested. Yeah, you filed with them, but AILA on the other side you know, they decided to correct all the data and make some of the cases, few cases, to represent the whole case. So in this situation, if you were part of them, if you were there, you filed the AILA form and you sent it and it was received and all that, but you were not among the few that were to represent the others. You know, after people sent their cases, AILA lawyers took few cases out of all the others to represent the others. I hope you agree up to that point. Few cases were selected, were presented to the judge to represent the others. So those few are very lucky. You know, I don't know how they did the selection, but if you are among those who are selected, you are very lucky because you are on the priority. But the others, even if those were to represent you, the judge didn't order in your favor. He just ordered that those who were highlighted, those who were highlighted, even if they were representing the others, no, the others won't be considered as much as for them. For them, they will be given a priority. So for the AILA, if you were the few representing the others, so you are very lucky. Also for those who filed with the Kurt Morris and others lawyers, you are very lucky for that matter. You know, you are courageous to do that, and here you are, you will be very lucky. So you will be treated as a priority. You with your case and your family members or relatives, you are very lucky for that matter. So the third point is that the court preliminary enjoins defendants from interpreting this is about the COVID-19 whatever refused to viewing adjudication and diversity issuing and reissuing diversity going ground that or directive beneficiary does not qualify under the emergency or mission critical. This is very simple. You guys, we have been talking about this, the term emergency or critical. You know, there are people who have been issued visas under critical condition, like they are so urgent, it's emergency. But what this point says that for DV 2020 selectees, again, your cases won't be treated as emergency or critical. So they will just be issued as normal. There's nothing like emergency or not. So again, they will just be processing as normal. They won't be treated special. That's maybe the best word I can use. So it's just simple as that. Number 4, at this time the court declines plaintiff request to order defendants and reserve the DV 2020 visa past the September deadline or until the final adjudication on merit will be this and that. According to the court, the order of the State Department to report by not later than 2020 which of the named status of the processing named and the number of unprocessed visa application remaining for the fiscal year. Okay, by this point it means it's simple. The judge ordered that the judge never, in short, by this point it has maybe two important topics. One thing, the deadline was not extended. So as of now, as of this date I'm making this video, this is date 4 of September. The deadline for DV 2020 is not extended. The fiscal year is not extended. For that, we were denied that request. But again, the judge requested or said that before 25th of September, the government would be requested to submit the name of people, the name of cases, or the number of cases that, or the number of visas that have been issued, the number of cases that have not been issued, and also the number of visas that are remaining, the unused one. So they have to give a number of visas that they have already issued by 24th, maybe 24, because this will be not later than 25. So let's call it by 25. They have to issue the number of visas that are already issued and those are not issued, and also the number of visas that are unused. So after that, judge will make another maybe order. Okay, the judge will conclude on, the judge will come up with something else out of that. So I hope that one is clear. So in short, the others are not that important, because it talks about the benefits and who are lucky. But in generally, to talk about this is that if you are there, you are DV 2020 winner, and again, maybe let me conclude with the 2021 DV lottery winners, because also you guys have been waiting for this. DV 2021 winners, there are chances that your visas might resume. We are not clear about this, guys. We need more time maybe to revise the whole document, but as of now, there are clear sign, high chances that your visas might maybe resume from maybe November, because the October month is already affected. So by the month of November, maybe you guys will be lucky from that point. So DV 2020s, you have to be patient. If we don't know the rate they will be issuing the visas, but we hope you all goes well, and maybe in the next few hours or maybe tomorrow I'll be making another video to explain this and many more. So thank you for watching this video. Share it with your friends and remember to subscribe and also hit that like button. Thank you.